considering nail art with outfits and makeup have become a fashion statement. Nail art can also carry cultural and social significance. For example, cultures have different values and different on nail traditions and styles. If we talk about summer nail arts, we choose first of all floral nail arts and fall nail designs. And if we want to talk about winter nail arts, our first priority will be the Christmas nail art designs that will look greatly for different parties and other occasions also. Nail art has also evolved into a captivating form of self-expression that goes beyond not just beauty and enters the world of artistic expression. The canvas, your fingernails, the colors are endless, the designs as amazing as your imagination allows.